Hey guys, this is just a quick review of my Aussie Kiwi buy trade on the 15 minutes I did yesterday. So I chose this pair firstly because my higher time frame analysis for the week was said that this is going to be a good weekly buy. So in my higher time frame analysis, what I do is I always start on Sunday, and that is on the weekend, and I look at I look at all the pairs and ask myself the question: is this week, which way is it going to go? So what is this current weekly candle going to show? And in this case, I thought there was good chances for a buy. So I'm wanting to take this buy all the way to at least this point over here. So reasons for that will be explained a bit later on. But back to this particular trade, I took this over here. I should have caught it over here, but I was not at the computer at that time. So, but this was a very clear area of accumulation, and so I think I could have caught it somewhere around here, with stops below this low. So I got it over here because my reasoning was this resistance area has been tested a fair few times. So it originated here after this clean break by the sellers, tested over here, went high and went down, and the sellers took multiple pushes to go down all the way here. And after this bit of accumulation, the key point was that there was accumulation over here, and that is why I felt more comfortable taking the trade right over there once I saw that this resistance was just not really pushing it down back again. It was just holding it on. But the key point for why I felt confident to take the trade over there was because I see this accumulation over here. And like the other two trades I did on yesterday, that is on Monday, unlike those two trades, I did not have a very tight stop loss, because as I said, I'm looking to protect myself a little bit with the stop loss placement, and still try and get the best timing for the entry. So then my entry details go down to the 3 minutes, and I had placed a limit order somewhere around here, and I did want to remove the limit order once I saw these sellers come down, but I didn't get to do that. But that was okay. The limit order got hit. The overall read that price should hold in this area was fine. If price did not hold in this area, I probably would have cut it and tried to re-enter again. And the advantage of just having larger stop loss is that it protects me from a larger loss. So it's almost like this stop loss is a pseudo stop loss. My stop loss was really around this area. So this was a pseudo stop loss, sort of like a proxy to get lower risk entry, that is lower position risk entry. So anyway, my whole targets were of course all the way up to the weekly and daily target I showed before. And as the trade went on, went up and up, I was sort of nodding off, sleeping, and coming back during this time because it was late hours for me. And around this point, I woke up around this point and saw that, hey, this is looking like distribution. This is looking like sellers are accumulating their positions, building up their positions. It is happening at quite a logical area, right around this resistance, which has not been tested sufficiently. So I thought, okay, let me try and get out over here. And so that's when I actually got out. I got out right there, and because I was so confident of this was distribution, I looked to get into a sell entry. But I did not choose this pair because this pair looked to me like a great buy. I chose another pair that was Aussie yen for a sell entry. So after I got out, we saw that price did indeed come down. So that was a completely correct read, and price just hovered around over here in a larger sort of distribution phase, sellers building up their positions, and just price just slam back down, getting some buy liquidity, from, and then shot right back up. Now, I was unable to catch the move back up, but currently I am still looking to trade this and take it up to the daily and weekly target. I'm just waiting for some pullbacks. So I've got, I did consider maybe this is an area I can hit the trade, but I decided not to. I decided to be patient and wait for the pullbacks. So I've got one strong push down by the sellers, move up by the buyers, and another push down by the sellers is developing. I am anticipating the pullbacks in this trade to go until around this area at least. So that's where I have my alert line, and that's where I will reassess how the price action goes from that reaction point. So it is nice to see that these buyers do have some increased volume, but that does indeed coincide with market open. So it's not too great of a signal just yet. But compared to the previous market open, it does seem like the buyers in this particular market open are higher, so a bigger move may be coming in. Okay, so that's all for now. Thanks, and comments and questions are very much welcome.